Good morning, students. I welcome you all for today's mathematics class. So already we have started in the past class the arithmetic progression. So in the exercise 5.1 we have left out with the first main of word problem. So today we are going to discuss about the word problem. As today I had to go to school, so at 10 o'clock, so I can't take the class, online class. So I'm sending you the video, and you need to complete it today itself and send me. That I'm going to count as your attendance for today's class. Okay, is that clear to everyone? Hope everybody have understood it. So today's attendance will be the notes that you are sending me on time before 5 o'clock. Today 5 o'clock you need to send me, that I'm going to mark you as present for today's class. Okay, let's start our class and let's see the exercise problem. Before I go to exercise problem, let's just review what all we have studied. So what we have taught about the past class is about what is the definition of arithmetic progression. So already you know what you mean by arithmetic progression. It is what? It is the list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So what we had done in arithmetic progression, how was the series of number? It was like the term is obtained, next term is obtained how? By adding the fixed number. Okay, first term will remain as it is, but the second term, if I have 1, I'm going to add 1 to the first term, so it will be what? 2. Next, for 2 I'll add plus 1, 3 and 4 and 5, so on. So what we could find, what we have done, the difference between these two numbers are what? 1, because I have added 1 to all the numbers. So such kind of numbers what are means, it is what? Arithmetic progression. So the fixed number of terms has been added to the preceding next terms. So that was the meaning of arithmetic progression. So the fixed number was called as what? Common difference. So we could denote it as D. Okay, it might be negative, 0 or positive numbers. So hope everybody have remembered it. So let's go further. What we have discussed again, we have discussed the general term for the D. Okay, common difference. So first term is called as A1, or we could denote it as A, and so on up to nth term. So the common difference we could call by D. Right, we could see how we could find the common difference. Our series was numbers was A1, A2, A3, so on. So how we could find the common difference? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A1, and so on. Okay, so the general term was what? For D is equals to AK plus 1 minus of AK. AK plus 1 and AK are the K plus 1th term and kth term respectively. So much we have studied. Okay, next what we have learned? We have learned the general form of arithmetic progression. So first term was what? A. Next term I am going to add the difference. Okay, so D. So if I minus it only, how we are going to do? A2 minus A1 we could do, right? A2 minus A1 means what? A plus D minus of A, right? So this could get cancelled and I could get D value. Okay, difference, right? So same way, A plus 2D and so on was my general form of arithmetic progression. Okay, is that clear to everyone? The general form of arithmetic progression is what? A plus D, A plus D, 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Okay, next what we have learned, finite AP and infinite AP. Arithmetic progression having only finite number of terms, and we could know the n terms. If I say that even numbers till the 10, even numbers till 10, so what could we write? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, could stop till 10, right? So this has what? It had what? It had finite number of terms. So the n term has been known. So each of this arithmetic progression has last term. Last term is known. Okay, next what we have discussed, arithmetic finite. Infinite means what? There is having infinite number of okay, infinite terms, number of terms it has. So if I take the natural number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, so it would be what? The nth term. Okay, so on it will be going. So it was what? Infinite arithmetic progression. So let's go on to the exercise 5.1, the first question. Okay, let's discuss about the first question. So what is the first main? What it says, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved making an arithmetic progression and why? In which of the following situation